Good morning mga ropa, mga gar. My guest came from what country?
Australia and England.
Australia and England.
Yeah.
The land of kangaroo.
Yeah.
And England is
Tea.
came from Peppa Pig.
Yeah.
Are you sure? Are you sure? Are you sure?
I think so, yeah.
That's accent of British, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for opportunity you gave me for today's video.
Thank you.
So all you gotta do is sit and relax, okay?
Yeah.
Let Justin Bieber take your photo and the bodyguard. No problem. At yun, napunta na nga kami sa Baluarte de San Diego. Yan, napasando na si ma'am dahil sobrang init. So mapapansin nyo, kami lang yung tao sa loob. Kasi alam mo na, ibang Pilipino, ibang turista, takot mainitan. Pero tingnan mo to si ma'am. Talagang palaban. Makikita mo naman na talagang palaban. So yun, sa loob nga rin ng Baluarte de San Diego, makikita mo yung ganitang view mga gar. So pag pumunta ka dito, kailangan medyo makulimlim o kaya may baon kang payong. Kasi kita mo naman kung gaano kainit yan mga gar. What we experience in our tour? It's all good?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Yeah, all good in the hood. Yeah. It's quite hot here. But for Australian, it's natural.
Yeah.
England, right now is
So much.
winter.
Yeah.
So yung guest ko na to, papatikimin natin to ng kamyas. Magkakamyas gaming part 2 tayo. Let's go! At yung kamyas na kinukuha natin, fresh na fresh yan. Fresh from farm, bagong pitas mga gar, kaya sariwa. Bago natin sila pakainin, sanitize muna natin yan gar.
See? Wait it.
It's sweetness, a little bit sweetness and sour.
Oh, like lime.
Yeah, it's like lime.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
No, it tastes like lime. I was expecting it.
Yeah. In the first bite, it's like sour.
Yeah.
Yeah. But in the end, it's delicious, right?
No,
It's more better said, mahal
mahal.
kita.
Kita.
It means I love you.
Ah.
Yeah.
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Mahal kita.
Mahal,
Oh, mahal.
then kita.
Kita.
I love you too.
Mahal gen kita.
Yeah, that's I love you too.
Mahal kita.
Yeah.
And mahal gen kita.
Then kita, yeah, that's I love you too. Yeah. So when you said, hi, kamusta?
Kamusta?
Yeah. When you said, you're welcome, walang
Walang
anuman.
alaman.
Anuman, walang anuman. Yeah, walang anuman.
And
Yeah.
thank you.
Thank you, salamat
Salamat.
sa'yo.
Salamat sa'yo.
Yeah, salamat sa'yo. Yeah. Sa'yo means you.
Ah.
Yeah.
Salamat sa'yo.
Yeah. Me, ako.
Ako.
Ako, maganda.
Ah.
Me, ako pogi. Handsome. Handsome man ang muka. Siyempre, pag babae, may pampauto. Okay, may pampauto na tayo. Dalawa. Bibigay ko doon. Hello, ma'am. Flowers for you, ma'am.
Oh.
You can put it in your ear. It's called kalachuchi. Yeah.
Thank you. That's
All good in the hood. Yeah.
how do I put it?